Look at the way light catches the skin here. This luminosity and hair vitality isn't from a medical procedure. It's the physical outcome of 7 consecutive nights using a specific botanical oil. Most of us are stuck in a cycle of diminishing returns. We invest in high-end 12-step nightly routines, yet still wake up with skin that looks dull, dry, and fundamentally tired by 7 a.m. The problem is often the products themselves. Layering multiple competing chemical compounds creates a synthetic barrier that prevents the skin from completing its natural overnight recovery cycle. Stripping away this complexity in favor of a single biological catalyst allows that recovery cycle to resume. By removing the chemical interference, you allow the skin to begin a focused repair process. Effective nighttime recovery is actually a problem of removing friction. When you stop overwhelming the tissue with synthetic additives, a single potent ingredient can do the work that a dozen serums couldn't. That ingredient is pure castor oil, which functions through a specific active driver, ricinoleic acid. This acid has a completely unique molecular structure. While standard moisturizer molecules are too large to move past the surface, these smaller acid molecules penetrate into the lower epidermal layers. Once deep, they physically stimulate blood flow and cellular repair around dormant hair follicles, creating an environment for growth while you sleep. This makes the oil a deep tissue delivery system. It doesn't just sit on the surface. It carries its benefits directly to the cellular level where repair actually happens. To see these results, the application must be precise. The first step is ensuring your skin and hair are slightly damp. This allows the oil to trap existing moisture against the tissue, preventing dehydration overnight. Next, you have to warm a microdose between your fingers. You are looking for a thin, workable consistency. Applying a heavy, thick layer will work against the skin's ability to breathe. Focus on these high-return zones: the arches of the eyebrows, upper lash lines, hollows under the eyes, and the edge of the hairline. However, because this acid is so potent, failing to follow the protocol exactly can lead to significant skin irritation. The most common mistake is using unrefined or synthetic oil blends. These often contain impurities that immediately clog the pores you're trying to heal, triggering acute breakouts along the application zones. The second error is overapplication. If the layer is too thick, it traps external bacteria and dust against your skin all night, which often leads to congestion and ruins your bedding. Success with this routine is a matter of precision. Even a slight deviation in the amount of oil used can turn a healing agent into a trigger for acne. Between day 1 and day 2, the changes are subtle. You'll notice a shift in surface hydration and a smoother texture as the skin's moisture barrier begins to stabilize. By day 4, a deeper physiological shift occurs. This is when the ricinoleic acid has had enough time to reduce underlying cellular inflammation, which often manifests as a reduction in puffiness around the eyes. For the final phase, some people blend the castor oil with a lighter carrier oil, like jojoba. This speeds up the absorption rate, ensuring the active compounds reach the hair follicles even faster during the last few nights. By day 7, the cumulative effect reaches its peak. This chart shows how the drop in inflammation at day 4 allows cellular repair to spike by the end of the week. This is when you'll see definitive changes in lash thickness and under-eye brightness. These physical changes are not an instant fix. They are the result of an uninterrupted 7-day compounding biological chain reaction. Contrast this with the financial cost of a standard beauty routine. You can spend hundreds of dollars on specialized creams, or you can use a single bottle of pure castor oil that costs less than $10. This method remains on the fringes of the beauty industry for a simple reason. Raw, single-ingredient products cannot be patented. There is no incentive for major brands to promote a product they cannot mark up. I challenge you to pause your complex routine tonight and commit to this 7-day experiment. Like the video to save the protocol, subscribe for more evidence-based beauty deep dives, and comment your day 7 results below. Achieving better results often requires simplifying your approach. It proves that the most effective solutions are frequently the most accessible, if you know where to look.